Now that we have the standoffs wider than the mounting holes, we're going to create a pin that will extend up from the standoff through the mounting hole of the Arduino board and the PCB board. And this pin that will secure the boards in place. So the next thing that we want to do then is to come over and left click on a top surface of one of these standoffs. So actually that's not what I want. Oops. Let's zoom in some here. Okay, so I want to get right on the top surface. So if you're successful, it will turn blue, the top surface, just as you see here. And we want to create a sketch. And we get the sketch palette like we've seen before. And we want to come up to Create, Project Include, and choose Project. And then when we get the black circle, we want to click on that black circle. And you can see that if you click on the black circle, you then get a blue circle. And we want to do this for all the holes. Okay, so we have all our holes selected. And click OK. And now the next thing we want to do is we want to choose this icon here, which is offset. And we need to click on, okay, when we put the cursor over the hole here on the edge, see how it turns into a blue ring? We want to click on that blue ring, and then we're going to put in an offset of -1 millimeter. So you want to put -1 and enter. And okay, if you're successful, it should look just like you see there, the black dot within the black circle. The black dot is going to end up being the pin. And we just need to repeat this for each of these holes here. Okay, so again, -1. And again, you should be able to come off the board and do a repeat offset, so you don't have to go up at top. But you still have to do it one by one. So I'm coming off the board and doing a right click to get this repeat offset, and then I'm left clicking on the blue circle and then -1, enter. Alright, let's see, I got 2 more, I think, right? Yeah, 2 more down here. Okay, so I got all those. And we can finish sketch. And let's see, the next thing we want to do is we want to do an extrude because we want to grow the pin now. And let's see, we gotta zoom in here, let's see. Let's move this over and let's zoom in. And we want to click near the middle. Alright, click near the middle here. Okay, and if we click in the right place, we get this upward arrow. Let's see, let's select all of these. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 10, and then we're going to put in 2.5 millimeters for the length of the pin. So 2.5. And there we go. So you can see that it grew pins right at the center of that standoff, and that's the pin that's going to secure the board, because that will extend up through the mounting hole of the Arduino board and also the PCB, the 1-inch square PCB. Alright, let's see. So now again we can unhide the boards just to see how everything fits. And you can see how the pin extends through the top of the boards there to secure them. So everything's looking good. Alright, so let's see, the next thing, let's hide the boards again. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to round off the corners of the pin, okay, like the top of the pin here. And to do that, let's use the fillet. Let's see, where's that? That's this icon right here, fillet. And we want to pick the top edge, and we want to put in, let's see, we want to put in 0.5 millimeters. Okay, so you see what that did is it rounded the corners at the top of the pin. If we zoom in here, you can see it really good. See right there, it rounded it off. Alright, so we can repeat for each of the pins here. What was it, 0.5? Okay, looks like we got 4 more to go here. Alright, so it looks like I got all of them, and again we can put the boards back. Alright, so now we've got the fillet there just to round off the edges of the top of that pin that's securing the board in place. So I'll end the video here and pick up with the next steps in the next video.